Today's subject is that the region that Abraham left Ur of Chaldean. According to the Bible, the God called Abraham from Chaldean Ur. I mentioned already that Uru is a city, and the Chaldean is name of country. Okay, and then if Abraham lived BC 2000 and left Ur of Chaldean, then the country name at the time is Ur third. Now, this the country of Sumer is one of the most developed country at the time, and then one of them is agriculture, and a barley and wheat are produced abundantly, and then many countries, even Afghanistan, came for to buy those barley and wheat. Now whatever happened, that we have to eat first. That was the most important thing. Now, when they have lots of barley and wheat, then they need more land to produce more. So what they did was, here is a land in here, but there is no water. Then they go to higher places. Here is water. Then connect it here, and then they cultivate this land. Now, when they use more and more water to the land, then the depth of the river reduced because of more water is consumed. So sometimes when hurricane come, then sea water come over the land. Now, actually what happened at the time was here is and this place this is a sea, and this is the land. Now water come down. This is the meeting point around here. When this water getting less and less, then what happens is when the sea come over here, then all this area is covered by the seawater containing salt. Now, once this sea salt dry out, then salt still remain on the land. Then what happened? We are not able to cultivate any kind of plant over there. So I took take a picture from some Korean broadcasting, and then the land covered by salt like this one, then later come to like this. Now they are not able to put the more plant animal. So the amount of produced for barley and wheat come to only 1/3. Now everybody say a little different, some to 45%, but it's substantially less than before. Now when those product is produced far less, then many people decide to move to another area. This time is equal to Abraham was called. So this is the true reason that Abraham had to leave at the time. Now, all this information are written in clay tablet, and I mentioned that this tablet they discover about 65,000 tablets. So the region that Abraham called is same time the Sumerian culture was declining because of less production of barley and wheat. All those one written already. However, those clay tablets that Abraham was called by God, it does not say that. So with this the land covered by salt, and then Sumerian civilization will be declined end of the country at the time. However, that this tablet is discovered around 1850, and taken 100 years to figure out what is this. Now, some historian and then archaeologists understand that, yeah, it's true that many people moved from Uru to Haran and Israel, the land now. And so this one is history. Not only Abraham called, but at the time, many people had to move, in order to get, better production. Now, I mentioned in the beginning that if, Abraham's story is real, the reason I do say is those stories may be written by Moses, but unfortunately Moses was not historical figure. Moses maybe somebody made as a fake man. I am going to explain to you on next video why I said Moses is not historical figure. Thank you so much for your watching.